do we got going on now? We got some Oreos. We got some sweetened condensed milk.
A nice car.
A nice car?
Yeah, Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Okay, a bunch of butter, some cake mix.
We're making a cake?
What? That looks amazing. 5 per line?
No, we're getting 6.
Oh, you got it.
Let's see if we can get enough across, though. Can we get 4? Yeah?
Wow, Foreo?
Yeah.
Bro, that's literally perfect. This thing was made for this dish.
Okay, now we got some condensed milk. Do we do more than this, or is that good? I think that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, now we take our Corvette.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a big scoop here. Okay, dump it. I think you want to move the Oreos too much, right? That looks fine right there, I think.
Perfect.
Now we got some chocolate cake mix. Good old Betty Crocker.
Dan makes this for his girlfriend, a Betty Crocker world.
Wow. Do we use this whole thing?
Seems like a lot, that. Maybe it.
Okay, almost all of it's used here. There's gonna be a lot of that happening after we eat this.
For real, Buddy Crocker.
Okay, and we got 4 sticks of butter here. She says to use 1.5. Okay, we turned our stick of butter into a stack of butter. No!
Butterfingers.
Wow. Okay, now let's see how many of these we can fit. Oh my God, guy.
Put all over ours.
Okay, a few more. This is gonna be the best thing ever, isn't it?
Are you kidding me this?
It's gotta be.
Oh, bro.
Last 2 here. I had the perfect amount, wow.
That was perfect.
Okay, now we wanna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And our pot apparently as well. Can that even be in there? That aluminum top can't be in there, can it?
I knew something stank.
Now that your pot is preheated as well, let all your heat out. Oh, stick that in there for 45 minutes.
Exactly how it's done, bro.
Maybe 50 now.
Yeah.
Okay, it's been about 50 minutes.
Okay.
Ready to see?
I'm ready.
I want some Oreo cookie crumble cake.
Come on, it better be perfect.
Better look amazing. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What? This looks better than hers.
Dude.
Bro, that looks better than hers.
Unreal that. We killed that. And by we killed that, I mean you killed that. Are you kidding me this?
And that's way easier than messing with cut it to like a nice brownie type Oreo cookie cake thing.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if we can cut a nice piece. Yeah, okay.
It's feeling good.
Yeah, I think this is gonna hold together.
Okay.
Let's go across this way now. And then this way. Hers fell apart.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? So if we do a little bit better than that, I'm happy.
Right, exactly.
How am I gonna get that out? There's no way I'm getting that out. Not without ruining this one. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Stay together kind of thing. Okay, here we go.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Bro.
That was so perfect.
Easy Oreo cake. Bro, that looks amazing. Are you kidding me?
Oh, that's gonna be so good. Can't believe how easy this was.
And it looks like that.
Look at the Oreo in there too. Oh my God.
All right, cheers.
Cheers, bro.
Wow.
That's the best dessert hack we've ever done.